Hi, welcome back to the Dean's Institute. Today we're going to learn a very important and a critical skill in Excel, which is VLookup. As you can see on the screen, VLookup, right. Let's understand what it is. Okay. Uh, VLookup is a formula in Excel which helps us to find the value stored in a particular column that is in the same row which meets the criteria. The criteria given over here in column K2 is hash 310. So it is matching. So basically what um, Excel will do is it will come down one by one and try to match this value, that is hash 310. As soon as it finds over here, it goes into the respective column. Since we have mentioned column 7, if we would have mentioned column 6, it would give us this value. But since we want the total, so we have given column 7 and Excel will give us an output called 4690. Uh, so let's see how to build this formula step by step. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You can also press the bell icon so future videos you get notified for, and you can also share, like, and comment. Let's get into it. So first of all, you need to mention the formula name is equal to VLookup. All right. And then you need to mention, there needs to be an open bracket. Okay. So what are we looking for? The criteria. So as I told you in our example, the criteria is mentioned in column K and row 2. So we will mention that K2. So later on, if we change this, instead of hash 310, we change it to any other number, Excel will pull out the corresponding value in the total column. Okay, so that's why we have to mention uh, K2. All right, so that's the lookup value. So Excel now knows where what to look for. And then we have to mention the range. The range is the entire data where you find the criteria as well as the value you're looking for. The Yeah. So that is B1 to H15. So as you can see, this is B1, column B, row 1, and H is the last column, H, and the last row is 16. So we have to mention the entire range. Okay, there is A. I have deliberately left A because we are looking for values which are starting from here. So Excel cannot look uh, uh, into the column before that. So it is all you have to start from where your criteria is. So you have to select the range starting from the column in which your criteria is. Okay, right up to the last one. So that is the range B1 to H15. Then we have to mention the where is the value you are looking for, or we are looking for. You have to mention the column number. Okay, because it's a vertical lookup. So we have to. So starting from here, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go and do the same here. See, it's starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to mention the column number, which is column 7. And we have mentioned 0 because we want an exact match. Like in case of spelling, there can be more than one spelling for a name, like Praveen, Pravin, and some people spell it as Praveen. So if we put 1, it will consider either of the spellings. But if we mention 0 here, which is exact match, then it will look for PRAVIN, and only then um, value of that row will be given out as the output. If it is not there, then it will say not available. So, so the whole formula is like this: V is equal to VLookup K2. As I told you, we are giving the criteria in K2. That's why we mentioned K2. K2 B1 to H1, which is B1 here, the H1. All right, and H16. I'm sorry, B1. You have to put colon B1 colon H16, the start range and the end range. Okay, the entire thing is the range, and column 7, as I have already told you, the column 7, and 0 is for the exact match which is given. The output you will get is 4690. So now let's see over here, and this is how it would look in Excel. So 310 460 4690. So the formula was VLookup K2, which is this one, comma B1 to H16, and the column number is 7, and that's an exact match. Now let's actually do it in Excel. And okay, as you can see, the same data is available here. Since I have mentioned 310, let's go ahead and change this to 305, and let's see what happens. There you see the value is changing. So now we are asking Excel to look for 305, and it is 6650. See, it is matching. Now for example, in the formula I go and change the value to 5. Now it is giving 95 because this is column 5. Let's start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, I'm sorry, not this one, because it'll start from here. We've given the range from B, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you change the column number, your value will change. And if you change the criteria also, it is very dynamic. So any given point of time, now let's change this to um, mm, apples, oranges, bananas, then pineapple, and jackfruit. Okay, that's fine. So now let's look for bananas. So it is applicable for text as well, guys. See, if I mention bananas, it's got 90. So I'll go ahead and change this to column 7. So it's become 6300, as you can see. So this formula works equally well both for text and numbers. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thanks. Bye for now.